And special thanks to our friends at SUPCASE who were nice enough to send us this Unicorn Beetle Pro iPhone 15 Plus case. As you see, it's iPhone 6.7 inch. So inside of here, love this box. Very nice. Can take off the top. Here is our iPhone 15 Plus case. So very nice. I like. Little installation guide. Nice belt clip. I am personally a very big fan of belt clips. Love them. And then here is your case. So peel that off. Start on your corner here to take it apart. Same for putting it together, essentially. We'll show you that in a moment. There's the back of your case. Boom. Peel that off. And there we go. That's the 3 pieces to this case. Now if it was to put it on your iPhone 15 Plus, you'd take your iPhone 15 Plus, put buttons in first, and then just kind of snap it on to this side. There we go, like so. And then you just take your other half, kind of push it into here. There we go. And then kind of just pop it around case. And there we go. Now, your iPhone 15 Plus is nicely protected. You got the cutout for your front camera. You got the cutout for your speakers, as well as a little protector for your USB-C port, volume rocker, and also a little protector for your switch. And then your power button, little SUPCASE logo, cutout for your cameras on the back. And then the coolest part about this one is the ring. So this one has like a little release here. You're able to just kind of press it and the ring pops out. Now you can use this for a few things. You can of course set your phone like this if you would like. This is perfect for when you're at lunch wanting to watch something. Or of course you can use this to help hold your phone while you're using it and easily just pop it down and out of your way when you're done. So this is what this SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro iPhone 15 Plus case would look like on your iPhone 15 Plus. Thanks again to SUPCASE who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.